Galing. So, sa kanya pala nanggaling yung original na song na yon. Sa kanya. Yan, idol na kita. Yan. Kung sino ka ba? Yan. Idol na kita. Love it.
Aray mo, tukap.
Una ni, nanguna-una, gisahit, gipangita, tuwara, dagan yung sulot, dagan yun, igo, bang, patay, sukarap, wala ka barot.
Sige. Rampa pa more.
Game, oh. Sama.
So, wala. Basag. Aray.
Aray ko.
Oh, legit to. Yan, legit po yan. Yung kakatapos lang na magulpi ka or nahataw ng nanay mo. Sabay parang kainin ka. Yung talagang, yung sino ka pa ganun? Yan, legit yan mga bossing. Naranasan ko yan. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga panahon na yon. Ang lala.
Aray mo, tukap.
So, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Yan, shoutout time po tayo. Okay, first shoutout tayo kay Gina Raya. What's up? Next naman po kay JR Rosales from Mindanao, Poblacion. Yan, what's up? Oh, Sarangani Province. Next is Dating Galing. Okay, JL, Dating Galing. Okay, what's up? Next naman po kay Mark JD Viernes. Yan, what's up? From Coron, Palawan. Wow. Next naman po kay Reg Nancy or ano po to? Rega Nancy or Reg Nancy? Whatever. Yeah, what's up? Next po kay Vlad Tenix. What's up, Vlad Tenix? Next po kay Arwin Penoliar Leiran from Alfonso, Cavite. Hey, what's up? Next naman po kay John Bato or JH No Vizca. What's up? Next naman po kay Rhea May Gunhuran. Hey, what's up? Next po, na-shoutout natin kay Noel and Sihagan Napao or Napao, yan, from Bilagihan, Ginoog City, Misamis Oriental. Sana tama. And, that's it guys. Yun na po ang last shoutout natin for today. Yan, and I hope nag-enjoy po kayo dun sa mga kakaiba at talagang nakakalokong video po at nakakatanggal ng stress. Okay? Until to the next time guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. I hope you enjoyed this entertainment. Peace and one love.